Intelligent lending limit.
Yeah, fuck it.
Capital One is exclusive lender.
Okay, that's the order. You'll deliver it tomorrow then?
No. We'll have it to you today.
You fucking idiot.
Yeah, today.
Wow! Will it be like flown in by Falcon, dropped off by chopper, sped over by speedboat?
No, we'll just bring it in the delivery van like normal.
With free same-day
Fucking
delivery.
hell.
Order before 9:30.
Get up there, pal.
Talking to Dulux
Being a
Decorator
dick.
Centre. Visit duluxdecoratorcentre.co.uk or your local store. Dulux Decorator Centre. Centred on you. Free next-day delivery subject to minimum spend for non-account holders.
BT Infinity's super fast speeds mean you can enjoy lightning fast downloading, super fast streaming and super fast online gaming. All at our lowest ever standard price for fibre. $24.99 a month on an 18-month contract with a one-off $9.99 delivery fee. But now with no activation fee when you join BT before May 10th. Super fast fibre for super fast everything.
arsehole.
Search BT Broadband to join today.
Prices may change. New customers, 30 gigs usage, terms apply.
At DFS, sofas are handmade to order in your choice of colour. And now spring collection sofas are up to half price. But be quick, selected sofas end Monday. DFS.
Hello, sir. Can I interest you in a new Vauxhall with a...
Advanced European engineering?
Exactly. And feel free to...
Parliament and shouted death to America after Donald Trump pulled out of the Iran nuclear deal. The president's argued it provides relief from sanctions without imposing tough enough limits on its atomic program. European leaders
got far, didn't you, cock-womble?
America's new national security advisor John Bolton's previously made comments about supporting military action in Iran, but seems to have rode back on those now.
Well, those were my private opinions. What we're going to try and do now is keep the allies together, keep transatlantic unity, and put more pressure on Iran.
U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo's arrived in North Korea. It's understood he's going to finalize details of an historic summit between Donald Trump and Pyongyang's leader Kim Jong-un. That didn't seem to be on the cards a few months ago when the pair traded insults over North Korea's development of nuclear weapons and ballistic missile tests. Sky's Asia correspondent Tom Cheshire says details about the upcoming meeting are sketchy.
Donald Trump has said he knows when and where these talks are going to happen. There's been speculation it could be
in
South Korea, in the demilitarized zone between South Korea
The
and North
fuck's
Korea,
going
or
on?
maybe in Singapore.
I'm a
Amnesty
fucking road
International
passer.
says a police
That's-
database
engine's
designed to
gone.
tackle youth violence is overrepresenting black people. It also claims 40% of those on the
What a
Metropolitan
dick.
Forces
What
list
a
haven't been
dick.
convicted of any crimes.